Hereditary spherocytosis is diagnosed by positive family history, splenomegaly, spherocytes, reticulocytes, increased osmotic fragility, and negative Coombs test. CD95 is a marker of extrinsic compression of apoptosis. In PNH, there is deficiency of GPI-linked protein. HAM test is used for PNH. HA and B antibodies will always be present in serum of patients of Bombyx blood group. Integrin are calcium-independent adhesive molecule. Before sensitizing T cells, slight change in antigen is induced by Langerhans cells and dendritic cells. Reflux nephropathy causes focal segmental glomerular sclerosis. In Alzheimer's disease, atrophy occurs in the parietal and temporal lobe. Potassium oxalate and sodium fluoride are used as anticoagulant for blood glucose estimation. Cell shrinkage is the earliest change in apoptosis. Flow cytometry is done on lymphocytes. Raised unconjugated bilirubin with mild splenomegaly is a feature of megaloblastic anemia. CD133 receptor on the neuronal membrane induces the development of glioma. HMB45 is a marker on melanoma cells. Most common fixative for electron microscopy is luteinaldehyde. In hyperplastic arteriosclerosis, there is fibrinoid necrosis with onion peel appearance. Lewis triple response is due to histamine release from local injury to mast cells. It comprises redness, wheal, and flare. Hematopoietic stem cells differ from progenitor stem cells in that they have a role in bone marrow regeneration. The role of bradykinin in the process of inflammation is increased vascular permeability. Verrucate bodies are found in schwannoma. Rosettes are seen in retinoblastoma. 10% buffer neutral formalin is used in light microscopy histology study. Shelf life of blood with CDPA is 5 weeks. Insulin resistance occurs in liver disease because of hepatic steatosis. Recurrent joint pain with petechial hemorrhages is due to factor VIII inhibitors with autoantibodies against factor VIII. Thank you.